Hi guys, it's me again, Jenpal Ysang, and for today's video guys, so mao na gid ni siya ang continuation sa video of the demolition of our shower room. So it's been a year na hindi pa namin natapos, so ito na. We finally decided to do the tiling of our shower room. Ayan, so we decided na kami lang talaga ang gagawa kasi nga ang mahal talaga kung mag-hire kami ng someone to do this styling job and to fix our shower room kasi mahal talaga guys. So kung ipapagawa namin to, probably we're gonna spend at least $2,000. Pero since kami lang, tsaka handyman naman yung husband ko, although he is not really expert on tiling job. So this is our first time niyang mag-tiling. And sabi nga niya, yung challenges is it's because yung wall is hindi siya pantay. So, pag gumamit ka or if you are using big tiles, so nakita nyo guys, yung tiles I really like kasi ako yung pumili ng tiles na to kasi nga white with parang gray streak siya, parang marble type char. So, ayan. So, kami lang talaga guys kasi it's one way of our training na rin kasi kung gagawin kami ng bahay sa Pilipinas, so mag-hire na lang kami ng mga assistants na tutulong sa amin to, you know, to assist us. Ayan. So far, carry bells naman ni hubby, tapos ako yung assistant niya. So, later, makikita nyo ko kung ano yung gagawin ko. So, siya muna ang nagta-tiling, tapos mamaya, ako naman yung lalagay ng grout. Ayan. So, as you can see from our previous videos, so guys, kung makikita nyo, kami lang talaga ni hubby yung gumawa ng aming front yard as well. So, ito tiling. Tapos, yung previous demolition ng aming shower room, meron din akong video niyan. So, paki-check nyo lang guys. So, talagang do it yourself. DIY lang talaga kaming dalawa ni hubby. So, I enjoyed uploading videos, yung mga ginagawa namin ni hubby together. So, although I would say that this is a really a guy's job or a man's job. So, yung hindi pambabaeng job, pero I'm very much willing to learn because as you can see, partner talaga kami ni hubby sa lahat ng mga handyman job niya kasi ako na ngayon yung handyman assistant. So marami na akong natutunan guys when it comes to mga handyman job. So isa to sa ginawa namin. And of course, inuna muna namin yung bahay namin before kami gagawa ng ibang tiling job sa mga customers namin. But anyway, my husband is not confident enough to do tiling job because this is not his forte. So, para lang talaga to sa bahay namin. And instead of magbayad kami ng $3,000 para sa labor at saka sa mga materials. So, materials na lang yung binili namin and kami na lang talaga. So far, acceptable naman yung pagkagawa kasi I'm happy and happy naman si hubby sa result ng kanyang paglagay ng tiles. So, ayan. Finally, tapos na ang pagta-tiling. So, ang installation na naman ng shower door and also the rain shower na faucet or yung pang shower, rain shower. Ayan. So, ito yun guys. Lalagay namin sa top. So, this will be the brand Glacier Bay. So, ito yung set. Pero ito, ayoko yung nasa wall siya, pero ipapa-extend namin para sa uluhan talaga siya, para raindrops talaga siya. Can you explain what you're doing?
Oh, I'm getting rid of the excess that's oozed out of the slits, so that whenever you put the grout in, it goes and it holds the tile actually in. This is just the Just prepping the cracks for the grout.
Okay. Good.
So.
Alright, so my turn to put the grout. So I'll be using this pre-mix adhesive and grout. And then I have here different sizes of spatulas and also some paper towels. Those are my gloves and my goggles. And I have a chair. So I'll start putting it. Alright, so probably I'll use this one. It smells like what is
Grout.
yeah,
Smells like grout.
smells like grout. So I'll just put all that like that on my part done.
Perfect. Main thing is to squish it into the seam
Yeah.
so that it goes back as far as possible.
Yeah, that's the one I'm doing it.
Because when you go to clean it, if it's not all the way back, it's just going to suck back out of the crack and
Yeah.
you'll have to start over again.
I have to push it so hard. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Okay, done.